If your device is stuck on activation lock, this tutorial will show you how to remove it using Dr.Fone step by step. First, select the device model you want to unlock, then choose the correct system version range for your device. Next, enter your device ECID. If you're not sure where to find it, download the iFixTool shown here, connect your device, and read the ECID directly. You'll also need this tool later in the activation process. After confirming all the information, click Unlock to submit the request. The system will process it automatically in the background. Once the submission is successful, open iFixTool again and click Activate Device. Please keep your device connected and wait patiently. When the activation is complete, the activation lock will be removed successfully. For more official tutorials and helpful tips, subscribe to the Wondershare Dr.Fone YouTube channel.